Next, we're going to go through an actual functional demonstration of how to utilize interactive projector. After setting up the interactive projector with your laptop, really the next step is setting up your environment. First thing to note is what you have. First of all, you have a wand here. You can see there's a button here. This is actually your left button in terms of a computer standpoint that you would utilize for selections and also for writing within the application. You also have a pen. The pen actually has an on-off switch, and you can tell when it's on. If you click, you can see there's a red button here, and this actually allows you to write directly on the screen or whatever surface that you're utilizing. The very first thing that you have to do is go through and actually calibrate the system. After you set up the interactive projector, there is an option here for light pen system on. We select that and select calibration. Basically, go through and select, you can see there's a green box here, and I'm going to use the actual wand to go through and set the system up. I only have to do this once for each installation of utilizing the interactive projector. I just go around. There's 13. Once I've done that, I have the capability of utilizing the full application. First, we're going to go ahead and show that you do have the capability to go through and utilize Windows Explorer, as well as opening any documents. You can truly utilize your computer, as well as any files and any information. Next, we're at Wikipedia. You can see here, obviously, accessing online. We have the capability to modify from a viewing perspective. You can see we've gone ahead and highlighted something that's important. We can go ahead and use the text tool to write in text within. You can change the width of text as well as the color, in this case going from red to blue in writing. You also have the capability, if you made a mistake, of erasing some of the text that you've just done. You can see here we're going through and erasing. Once you've gone through and made the changes that you want, if you wanted to save that for future lessons, you can actually save. You can see it'll actually take a screenshot of any folder that you have within your computer. Take a screenshot in a couple of different formats, whether it be JPEG or PNG or bitmap. In addition, we do have the capability to type directly in. So if you wanted to go through and, let's say, search for something new within Wikipedia, you can go up and select the search tool and go through and select the actual keyboard. Type in, and let's say we had, in this case, classroom that we wanted to search for. Obviously, whatever it was, whatever lesson that you're going through that particular session. And you have the capability to go through and utilize the keyboard for writing in and going through and whatever you'd like to do within the web. There are other applications you can jump to using the same functionality. You can see YouTube, be able to view videos. Here's a picture website going through. Here's an encyclopedia, all of which you have the capability to use the writing tool, the highlighting tool, the saving tool of any of the information you go through. Also, there are tools out there in the internet that have the capability to teach, in this case, science. We're looking at a pendulum and an application that shows the pendulum and the capability to increase friction or decrease friction, the length of the pendulum, and obviously have a nice lesson, in this particular case, science. And there's also English, math, literature, etc., a number of different applications that are available. In addition to the applications you have available online or on your computer, you also have the capability to interact with others. In this case, opening up Skype, for example, or NetMeeting, to interact with other classrooms, other teachers, etc. Obviously, the opportunity is limitless only by your connectivity with online and your computer.